Alrighty guys, so I have the new connector hooked up. I got the black plug inside of it. So all I'm going to do is plug these USBs in now and go to town. And turn the power on. Now, remotes. Turn that TV back on. Now the reason I had the HDMI out on the TV, guys, we're pulling something. But anyways, I'll zoom out so you guys can actually see the TV do its deal, and hopefully this fixes it so it doesn't keep cycling. So we'll know here in a second, and we'll go from there. And then I'll show you the busted port that I pulled out, and go from there. Okay. Waiting. And there we go, guys. Problem solved. No resetting of the nonsense. It actually detected the USB was mounted as well. So, problem solved with the new port. Right there. Where's my finger? There it is, that one. So that's done. Now, I'm going to bring over the busted one. Now look at this, guys. This is what we're dealing with here. I have to turn a light on because we're getting drowned out here by the window, which I absolutely hate that whitewash. Got to get some blinds in here, guys. Look at this. What in the heck is that nonsense? This is the nonsense that this thing I've been dealing with. So I don't know if that's positive or negative now since I changed it. What it says right on here. So positive is there. So now it is back together. And this is the crap that I'll show you I was dealing with. So this is the casing. This thing goes in and it just doesn't want to go. It doesn't like it. It doesn't want to be there, and it's got a bad connection. And I might be able to snap it in place, but still don't trust it, and it's pretty much crap. It won't stay in. Garbage. So that was the issue. It's being tossed because I don't need it damaging any electronics I have. I'm just going to toss it. Okay? No biggie. No big deal. So we'll toss that sucker. I'll keep the, I'm going to keep the little connector, whatever it's called. But anyways, that's what I'm dealing with. And I'll keep the, some stuff I can keep, like these little covers on this thing. What the hell, right? This thing's being tossed. I'll throw it in the trash right here. And that's that. Problem averted. Problem solved. Gotta love it. Tiny house, somewhat back in order. Once we get the water situation fixed, that's what I'm gonna go do next at the other end of the tiny house. So please stay tuned for that.